So in the past few game days nitong college basketball, umulan ng suspension, literally.
Yes.
There's Calvin Abueva,
From NC.
RV Bringas, 2 games, one from the UAP, yung isa from FEU. Poy Eram, mukhang yung Flores pa-suspend din.
Strinate niya
Anong nangyayari sa collegiate basketball? Ba't ganito kadumi?
I think it's getting more intense and papasok na ng Final Four, pa-end din second round, so lahat naghahabol. They wanna play harder and dirtier and then
Dirtier.
so ayun,
You can't help but
just
get that emotions out when you're
tension.
looking for that. When you're trying to seed or place in the top 4. Everybody's gonna become more aggressive and everything's gonna be more intense. Everybody's trying to make habol to get that win.
Make habol.
You know, make habol to win.
Habol.
Anyway, so yun nga. But the thing is, they're dirty man kung dirty, pero they're just being intense.
So,
Intense
Trina,
players.
in your 4 years of
Playing.
collegiate basketball, ano na yung dirtiest play na ginawa mo?
First of all, we have to understand and agree what is dirty. Kasi sometimes it's not dirty, it's more of smart playing eh.
Yung sinigo mo sa mukha?
Hindi naman,
yung
kasi
aapakan mo
using
yung
your
sapatos.
elbow, that's not really dirty, that's smart playing. You have to protect the ball. I'm a point guard, shooting guard, diba? You have to protect the ball, so you have to
Taga
get your
dribble
elbows.
lang. Kasi
Sibol mo sa mukha.
Yeah. So I mean, if you call that dirty, I feel that I'm a very physical player.
Okay.
Maliit ako, pero super physical ako maglaro.
Namimisical eh.
Yeah, well, so I mean, maliit ako eh, so how else can you play? Diba? Ikaw?
Ako, sa 8 schools in 4 years ko. Then,
World record!
ako sa college, pinaka-dirty tactic na nagawa ko na. Di ako naligo for 3 days before ng game namin.
Literal.
Para walang babatay. Literal na dirty
Pero dirty player talaga akong dirty.
Seryoso ba yan?
Ako, alala ko yung isang time, Father Martin's FEU against Baste.
So, anong school mo na?
FEU, hindi
FEU
ako
ba?
Baste. Kinurot
masama
ko
sa
si
Baste?
Pamboy.
Kinarot mo si
Oo,
Pamboy.
dito sa singit. Sinabol niya ako. Wala na, nagkarambol na dun sa La Consolacion. So, ayun.
Did he get thrown out?
Sino na-suspend sa inyo?
Yeah.
Walang nasuspend.
Napaka-manly nung dirting ginawa mo eh. Kinarot mo kasi.
Kinurot ko eh.
Could be painful.
Turo sa amin yun.
Zombie ka, what's the worst you've seen?
The worst I've seen, I haven't seen like an actual fight. Parang wala akong alam sa college ball, di ako nanonood yan. I don't write about this stuff, man.
Ito,
Magsalita ka.
Regarding that specific play, parang nung Phil Oil, parang puro people just start talking smack. People will just trash talk each other, pero walang mismong sapakan na witness pa ako. Actually, yung play na yon, yung kay Bringas, hindi ko nakita yun eh. Sa replay ko na lang nakita kasi nagsusulat ako nun. And then when I look up, everyone's angry. I'm like, what did I miss?
And you didn't know
Yeah,
until
so
you
like
saw
of
the
all
replay?
the trash talking I saw in the preseason, in the first round, yung dura pa yung na-miss ko. So that's kind of like the funny thing about that.
Yung second part ng discussion na to is, ano ba yung ginagawa nung powers that be to control it? I mean, may mga flagrant fouls na tinatawag na, in my opinion, hindi naman dapat flagrant fouls. May mga tinawag after the game, di ba? Yung kay
review.
Yung kay Poy Eram was called after the game. Yung kay Pogoy was called after the game.
yung kay Ryan na downgrade yung since na thrown out siya,
Yeah.
na review nila hindi na.
So, ano dapat? Where do you draw the line if you're an official?
I don't know. For me, it's hard eh. If you say na, let's go back and review what Poy Eram did. Parang in principle, shouldn't you then review every game and make
Exactly.
sure
Yeah.
that other people didn't commit fouls that you weren't able to call? Diba? So, I'm not saying na parang tina-target ang Ateneo or like so unfair naman, but just for the sake of being consistent.
Make habol.
OMG, you're gonna make
Just for the sake of being consistent
Udugo
and
ba yun?
make it patas.
Make it pata.
Diba?
I think
Yun lang.
they should just let the players play it. Second round, going into the playoffs already. Let the players play. There are rules. When it's clear and it's a foul, then they call a foul. When it's not, let them play.
Ako feeling ko, Carlo, isa lang na lang solution dito. No blood, no foul.
No blood, no foul. Pati
siguro,
kurutan sa singit pwede.
Hanggang dumugo.
Tumugo. Siguro like, yung mga tinatawag sa UAP ngayon, the others are really out of the, like, yung movement nila, it's not necessary na. Unlike yung mga iba na, let's say, on the move ka talaga, tapos natamaan mo and stuff. So, hindi nila pwedeng tawagin na intentional talaga or unsportsmanlike. Pero yung, like the ones that, Jai Flores did, talagang strinate na si Alvin Padilla. But on the other hand, si Alvin rin naman kasi nag-start na, sinisiko na si Jai Flores. So,
you know what? We enjoy the battles, yung mga ganon. It makes the game so much more exciting. Pero sana konting control, konting tempi lang. If it's a basketball play, then by all means, lakasan mo.
go hard.
Pero wag naman yung mananakit ka for the sake na mananakit ka. Or dudura.